Hello everyone, for this video I will be showing you guys my thoughts on custom keyboards versus gaming keyboards. Reasons you should get a gaming keyboard is that they're usually faster, but they're not the best sound, and that is not the greatest. But if you do get Gatoron Yellow with your custom keyboard or Optical Silvers, you have speed and nice sounding keyboard, which is always a plus, and you can save quite a bit of money. Make it however you want. That is the best part. You can make it with any type of keycaps, any type of switches. If you don't like the switches, you can switch them. And yeah, and so here's a sound test of a gaming keyboard versus a custom keyboard. Both of those keyboards will be linked in the description if you want to go get them. I'll put other good keyboard links there if you guys want to get those as well. Also, tell me which one you'd rather have, the custom keyboard or a gaming keyboard, in the comments below. I read every single comment. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, bye.